No, we did 19, didn't we? Okay. So we on 20. I'm gonna move it up. Give you a chance to go ahead and look at it, think about it. Think about what we know, what we might need to do. Get my stuff. We're gonna write a fraction for what we see. Shaded up top and all on the bottom. And it's the reason I want you bothering him after school. He's not an after school teacher. Now, if he in there, you can ask him, but don't go over there bothering him. But still, someone don't want you asking him that after school. If he working here. But I thought. That is something. Yeah, he gone. Hey, what's going on? Too much of mine. Y'all out of school? Oh yeah, we in after school. Okay, the idea I go to them. Yes, ma'am. All right, I was just trying to figure out what time many stuff you did. Okay. She can't pay and break down. But she did all go to after school when she done with band breaks and I'll get her together at 5. Okay, that'll work. All right, thank you. You will. All right. We stop. Amaria, you want? Okay, can I get a calculator? Yeah. Yeah. I don't know if it's asking anything else, Sonny, or what. That was even this is hard to be behind the missing value. I'll put a question down. Benchmark price is 1C is starting in 230%. All right, good job. A square vegetable garden is built in a rectangular 50 meter by 40 meter lawn. The length of the size of the garden is 5 meters. What's the area of the lawn? So good job. We first had to get the measure of the whole lawn, which is 50 times 40 to get 2,000. They then gave us the size of the actual garden, which will be a 5 by 5, which will be 25 square meters as you got. And then, of course, we have to subtract that garden from the rectangular lawn to get 1975. How about Marianne? Questions? Molly, Amir? We good? All right, Omarion, you get the X, slide it up. All right, so they use benchmark practice to compare this. You know what benchmark practice are, right? 0, 1/2, and a whole. So when you compare and you ask yourself, it's 1/6 closer to 0, 1/2, or a whole, and then we're gonna ask ourselves the 2/3 is closer to 0, 1/2, or a whole. And since this is separated into 6, let's use it. Let's separate. So that'll be the 1/2. Of course, that'll be the whole, and then that's 0. So act like we only got one shape. When we say that's close to 0, 1/2, or a whole. 0, 1/6. 2/3. So we can use it first. You can see if it's one in there working. Use it first one, act like it's 2 shapes. Now I'm gonna split that one in half, and notice it's gonna be the same half as the other, because it don't change. That'll be our whole, that's 0. So if 2 of these 3 were shaded, would it be closer to 0, 1/2, or a whole? So now that we're gonna put what each one is closest to, look at this. Who want it, Molly? Come here. Marion, you want it?
What's the probability of a large participant should have little come to where I have at least jump 75 inches? I tried.
Okay, talk to us about E.
It says 3 equals 73 inches, and I chose all of them greater than
What? What I'm looking at?
Oh, 41 through 49.
Come here, Molly. You got a thing? What'd you say, Molly? My hair, you. Go hit the down button to the go off. Oh, I can hear. Okay, this is definitely not the community property. Community property tell me I can change the way we going. You need your bike to get.
No, that what she said.
And that one,
I don't got a problem with that. Me too. I got a problem with that.
I was first thing we come back then, go to that. Cause she got me something. I mean, one of
I got a problem with that. It's just that my baby catch on that quicker than
begging for him.
But I got a problem with
that first one. Yeah, but that's bad teaching.
Yeah.
Hey, sure. Okay.
Well, let me get on this mic, we'll talk about it.
Okay. Kind of people that work. So yeah. Yeah, but I'm so you is sensitive. I want to give it 1 day, then you get 2 days. One thing I want to Let me see you. I know you definitely, y'all definitely look at that first 41.
41?
Yeah.
I don't understand. Well, like, I understand it, but I don't.
I definitely 42. Y'all need to look at.
But I think.
Omarion, you good? Slide on up, baby. Look at 42. You can see your pencil. Three y'all need to look at. Dude, we gotta get the paper. Y'all need to look at all this on this slicing. They got a whole different paper. Y'all need to look at these slicing. 41 through 45. Look at them slicing. Y'all need to actually slice the figure. If it said perpendicular, draw a line perpendicular so y'all can see what the shape gonna look like. Y'all ain't got no work on them. You better draw a line so you can see it. Community. That means I changed the order, but it's the same. It definitely ain't that. It didn't combine for community property. It's just gonna switch it around. Oh, it's just gonna switch it around. Community. Oh, I know that. Oh. Good, son? You all right? Okay. Multiply each term in first expression by 4. Do anything go there need to be multiplied by 4? I got that. I looked at that expression. But they didn't say that expression. So you better read. They be simplifying it, distributed property, then combined like time. Molly, Kamira, y'all stuck over there? I think I got it. You wanna try it? What this gonna be? Not equivalent, not equivalent. Lord have mercy. Woo. Not is you need to be doing the distributed property with all these. Bam, bam. If you ain't doing that. All right, go look at them on that search. You come see if it's some more in that bucket. Look at what we got up top. All right, now look at the two numbers we got. Is 0 greater than 1/2? Look again. All right. He is incorrect because 1/6 is less than 1/2 and 2/3 is more than 1/2. That's it. What's up here? I got it. You got it? But I got it. All right. Let me check your drawing. Amarian, y'all got the same over there?
I used stuff between 10 and 50.
You use what?
I found stuff between 10 and 50.
10 or 70? 50? Let me reread it. Point A lies on DE, C and B, GAC is 120. Good job labeling. G, B, A. Wrong angle. Oh, so they can see G, B, A. So it's actually the inside. And you can look at that. That's an obtuse angle. That ain't gonna be 50 obtuse. Wrong button. Come here, I'm asking you. You see? GB at the inside. Look again. I made one correction. Look again at what you got. Cause we trying to find what? STU, where is STU at? The figure is not drawn on the scale. No, we trying to find CAB. CA, so this the angle we trying to find. So I don't, so he can see, they can see. So now look at what we have, cause we know the middle is a triangle, right? Boy, y'all done move my thing out the way. So the middle is a triangle. What do we know about triangle? Add up to 180. What do I know right here? You said half of 120? How can I get this angle if I know that side is 120? From to get good. So now that I got two of the angles on the inside, find your third one. What you got, Mom? Come here, what we got now? Yep. Good job. Any questions about it? So when they give you them transversals, pay close attention to what's stopping what, so you can really see what angle you need inside the outside. Good job. Question, Molly, you all right over there? Did you come up with? All right, come here. You know how to hit the thing and push it up? We stuck? No, y'all probably need to look at. You got an answer? Come on, Mariana. Let me see what you got. The general one, the denominator sign, compare them and one. Pulling in, increasing the goal of the small surrender. The denominator the same, so then look at your one. 3, what's that, 5 and 2, put them in order. Put them in order. Mm-hmm. Third lesson 3, 7, and around that 2/5 of 9, and around 3/5. They want to compare how far each ran. All right, so put an on that side. This and this 2/5 is what to 3/5. The denominator the same, so compare your top. 2 is what 3. Okay. I'm no analyst. Yes, that's your sign. All right, ladies. Gave you 1 fluid ounce of fertilizer for every 30 square feet of soil. How much fertilizer to the nearest 0.1 gallon we gave you for 0.8 acres? And they gave us some stuff at the bottom. Good job. First step should have been to multiply our acres in feet, which was the 43,560 by the 0.8 as he did to get 34,848. After you got that 34,848, you should have then came and divided it by 30 for our 30 square feet. Might be kind of hard to see his writing over there on the word. But they gave us 1,161.6. I think it was a decimal.
I think that's.
You sure? That should have been a decimal. Don't worry, I'm gonna just add the decimal. Should have been a decimal right here somewhere. And then after that step, we then use this conversion. It told us 1 gallon was 128. So then we took our 1,161.6 and divided it by 128 to get 9.075. And then he showed us how that 5 told us 7 to round to 9.08. And that is correct. Good job, Amarian. So that was a multi-step conversion problem. Right there in the above the 3-4, 116.1.6. So I'm gonna say this A, B, C, D, maybe. That's A. Okay, so do your cross thing like you've been doing. And then we're gonna see which one got the biggest, and that's your answer. All right, 24. Y'all still looking at? Take a peek. So this one got a whole lot of words and a whole lot of stuff that you thinking you got a whole lot to do.
Can you put this on a copy for me in the morning?
I mean,
9:02. What time I leave in the morning? Is that 9, right? You start taking, so how many classes we gonna be gone?
you didn't say.
Probably first, second,
Yeah.
third.
So first, you're gonna be driving down there.
And then should they told me to stay down there?
until they finish. It's taking too long. though,
Too long.
'cause
So
it's
39, right?
Yeah. And don't forget Johnson's crew.
Yeah. So probably up into third period.
Yeah, definitely about 30.
I'm probably gonna have to go get a
What you
bus
got
from
planned in the morning? This,
that. I was gonna go with my study guy, but I don't want them to do nothing without me. But that's there right there. That's something on Contest Cruise.
but you will have time next week to do your study guide?
Yeah, I already started my study guy.
Okay.
Yeah. Cause we don't say it's a Thursday, right?
So it ain't gonna throw you off too
No.
much to where you.
No.
No.
I'll test Monday at home. I'm ready to get up.
Okay.
I'm just saying.
Is that for your crew?
It is.
Tell them they do such a good job.
Thank you.
Oh, what we got, y'all?
And we just need to take us to.
10 times 2? I won't even do that. I'm gonna tell you like this, is a whole lot of words up there just to trick you off. But the one main difference they said that's gonna happen. 2 points higher on every test. So guess what? In the end, my average is gonna be 2 points higher. Just a whole lot of wording and then putting 10 and 10 again. It's putting you in the mindset of I got something to do. It's just a whole lot of wording to throw you off. So the average would still be 2 points. Yeah. You get what I was meaning? Come here. And you're gonna have questions like that with a whole lot of words and numbers that you're not even gonna use. You went too far. Slide up 25. That one look good. Both of them look good. All right, now with this one, do the same thing. Put your number up top, and then we're gonna compare it with the symbol. If it works, we're gonna check true. If it don't work, we're gonna put false. Kind of like what you just did up here with your comparison, except for put your number on top, so we can see like what that multiplied to and what that multiplied to. So you can clearly compare. The same. Now, when you multiply them by 10, multiply it by the 1 and then tag along the 0. So 89 times 1 is 89, put 1 0, so 89. And then the same with 100. 9 times 1 is 9, tag on 2 zeros. Yep, because 890 is not greater than 900. For that one, what we got true? Let's see. 21 is less than 24. Good. 30 is greater than 20. Good. Okay, let's see. When a fraction of these definitions, fraction is greater than a half, you got 3/4. And less than 4/5, 3/4. Greater fraction. That's your answer, 3/4. Okay, so for a certain basketball player, the probability of success on even given free throw attempt is 0.7. What's the least number of free throw attempts to which the result is expected to be at least 18? Good job, we did exactly as you did. Took each of my answer choices, multiplied by that 7%, and see which one gave us 18. It was C. Good. Molly, you had it? Then do it. Okay. Getting there. Good job, come here. Good job. Reminds I don't think I forgot about you. Consecutive sequence consecutive terms of a geometric sequence. What is the common ratio to this? And here.
I don't understand 48, 16 on the two,
It can adhere to germ or dirt as well. Remove. You got something so that when you remove, separate. What we thinking, crew? Jay, come show us some. Tell me where Jay come from. Hit that, we'll say 10-0. You will have to move it after we circle your answer now. I move that out. What do you have? 3/4. Kamir, what you got?
I ain't got the same one.
The same thing? Molly, you were still looking at it? Another strategy. 3/4 is correct. Another strategy. So with common ratio, instead of moving that way, just think about the next number. Cause my next number is gonna be a fraction or a percentage of the one in front of me, right? So that would be 48 over 64. And then, of course, I will simplify it. And then I look at the next group, which would be 36 over 48. And then that last one, 27 over 36. And if you simplify each of them, they're gonna end up giving us 3/4. But if you need to multiply it out, like Omariana, definitely do. If you can't remember to just stick the second one on top of the first one, just divide it out. When talk to mama, you been doing pretty good to me. I don't see no major concern for math. Been doing pretty good. A few kinks with fractions, but for the most part, you got scratchy to you. Where your math at? Next Friday. I wonder what your teacher gonna do with you next week. So if we need to get together one day next week to give you a run through before your test, just let me know. Some scissors. Yeah, you good, back. If that was your last one, you good. I gave him to Miss Myers up here with Laura Myers. She over in Maxwell room, I think she gonna be in. Let me ask you this. Go up there, erase them squiggly lines for me. Alright, pick back up your pencil to write. Now let's go back in here. What is the probability that the selected number would be an element of B and in C? What does that part mean?
Oh, wait.
It has to be in both. So look again, and you may want to circle instead. Circle every number in B and C that's the same number also in A. How many numbers we got? Or did you circle?
Two.
You circle two? Is that the same number or a different number?
Same.
So how many numbers did we circle?
Two.
Is that the same number or a different number? 6 and
Same.
6, is that the same or different?
Same.
So how many numbers did we circle?
Two.
It doesn't say though, you don't count twice.
Yes, that's what I'm trying to get you to see, Premier. It's the same number. So don't count it 2 times. So how many numbers did we get
One.
out of how many total numbers? Yes, that's the one. So make sure you pay attention to that piece that says and. Now, had they said or, Cameria, your answer would have been close to what they had. It would have been D or E for or. That means either or. But when they say and, it has to be the same in both. So if you want to circle that on your paper and put the same for both, definitely make sure you get that and, okay? Molly, you all right over there? Talk to me now if you not. You okay? All right, 28, this scatter plots. If Maxwell hasn't gotten to it yet, it's something she gonna move into before the end of the year.
No,
Yep, those scatter plots. Hold on, Camille, let's see what he.
I know I did it already, I know if we did it fast enough.
Okay, I don't know if she did it yet, but she should be doing it soon. Let's see what they're doing. We'll just take that as our sign for today. So that's number 28. We'll pick up with number 28 next week. Hey, y'all had a math study guide. Have y'all been working on that study guide?
Uh-huh.
Have you been working on it? Is it finished?
I help everybody in my class.
You wanna work on a few minutes with us? If needs, come here. Is yours finished?
Yeah,
It's
she
finished,
told,
it's finished.
well, she told my class getting frustrated. Well, since I already helped Jamarlo and Jim class, cause he needed help, I helped everybody else.
I know I had helped every young, and then I didn't realize it was so many. So Molly, you can pull yours out, and while Kamira and Omarion still here, if you need some assistance with it, they right here. Or if you need me to assist you with something, I'm right here. And then we'll slowly start getting our stuff
Oh, yeah.
situated.